Hello, good morning, friend. Today is my third topic on CNC. Before this topic, I have done two topics on CNC that is somehow related to drilling operations. Today, my topic is how to find any kind of angle of a job which will be operated in a CNC machine for in case of mass production. So you can find it easily on the following steps. I will discuss two steps to find the angle. One is a conventional method, another is a easy method. So before discuss it, suppose we have a drawing, that is drawing number 1, drawing number 2, drawing number 3 and drawing number 4. There is a various types of angles and we have to find the angle of it. We all know in case of CNC machine there is a various types of block, OD block, ID block. If you consider this angle 72 degree, then what is the angle value if we cut it by a left hand holder, then what will the value of it? So this will be discussed today. So let's start the video. Okay, so let's consider a case, this case number 2. Here the angle is 62 degree. So how will you find it? Simply, what is the half value of 62? That is 62 divided by 2, that will be 31 degree. 31 degree, this suppose this is, if we consider this, and this one 31 degree and this one also 31, total give 62 degree. Suppose we use a ID holder, not only ID holder, we have to use left hand tool. Case 1, we need use left hand tool. What will be the angle? Simply, we have to put 180 degree plus required angle. The required angle is 31 degree, which is a half of 62. So what is the value of it? 180 plus 31. What is the value of it? 1. This is the value. 211 degree. Okay. So you simply go to the program chart and simply put the value of a 211 degree. Okay. That will be done by ID holder, which is left hand. In case of OD block, how will you find it? Simply, you have to minus this value 360 degree minus 221. What is the value of it? Let's calculate. 360 minus 221, it is 139 degree. It will be cut by OD holder, and we put the value of 139 in a program, that is 139 degree, and simply we can make this profile of 62 degree angle. There is a one case, and another, if we discuss this case, there is an angle of 72 degree. What is the value? How we will calculate? Same way. Let me adapt this. What is the half of 72? That is 72 divided by 2, that will be 36. Yes, that is 36 degree. After, then what will you do? We will apply the same process. In case of ID holder, if you use, that will be 180 degree plus 36. What is the value of it? Simply we will calculate 180 plus 36, 180 plus 36, that will be 216 degree. And if we use the OD holder, then what is the angle? It will be simply 360 degree minus 216 degree. What is the value of this? Minus 360, 144 degree. Simply we will go the program and put the value of a 216 degree. And in this way, in case of it is a OD block, you may write 144 degree. Okay, that will be solved in this way, and that will be evaluated on the same way. The 90 degree, the half of 90 degree is 45 degree. You simply add 180 degree plus 45 degree, that will be 225 degree, and 360 degree minus 225 degree. That will be done by ID block or holder, and it will be done by OD block, the remaining value. And in this way we can find various angle. So let us talk about this angle, 75 degree. Okay, how will you do this? In the same way you can find it. At first we have to have the value of angle. Then what is the value of 75 degrees divided by 2? What is the value of this? It will be simply 75 divided by 2, 37.5. If we use ID block, especially for left hand, the angle will be simply 180 degree plus 37.5. The value will be 180 plus 37.5, 217.5 ID. And OD, in case of OD, how will you do this? Just 360 degree minus 217.5. You will get a required value. That is a conventional method, you can do it. But in case you want to find it as a fraction of second, then you may use a easy trick, that is this. Suppose the angle is 62 degree. You do not calculate anything. If you use OD block, I mean to say OD block, you simply go and write A plus 31 degree, simply plus 31 degree in a program. In case of ID block, you write minus 31 degree. One is a plus value for OD holder and minus value for ID holder. Okay, suppose this is the angle is 90 degree. So what is the half of it? That is 45 degree. For OD, that will be plus 45 degree. For ID, that will be minus 45 degree. That is an easy way you can find any angle. So that is a basic motto of this video, to find an angle, any kind of angle of a job. So you may use this type of concept for find any kind of angle, and you may use in a practical purpose. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.